Right, hello everybody. I hope everybody is doing good. Whoop. Okay, let's start with that. All right. Whoop. Okay, so last time we just started to work on the animation for the spirit, and so that's what we're gonna keep doing. So the last time we were just doing the start, the stop, and the running idle. And now what I want to do is start working on animation, on turning animation. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so we can open Blender. Let's find toolbox. Let's see SILKROAD. We want the okay, so that's the thing. It's so the reason why I didn't do a stream. I can delete that. That's annoying. The reason why I didn't do a stream Sunday was I was trying to clean up my Dropbox folder, but I didn't realize that it would take me so much time actually. I had to re-download everything from my Dropbox, so it took me a lot of time to process. But now I should have something much cleaner, much easier to use. So that's a good thing. Okay, so we're gonna go in character stem, and we want to go into our anim folder and use the and play into the locomotion animation. Hello Minuit, how are you doing? Is Dropbox the usual tool in gaming development to store assets? No, I don't think. No. It's good for me because I'm alone. But usually it's more Perforce or SVN or GitHub. GitHub maybe a bit less, but yeah. But the thing is, what I like with Dropbox is that it's anything that I'm saving, it's automatically backed into the cloud, which is a security for me. So that's mean even if my hard drive is crashing and I didn't save anything on the I didn't do any good how could I say that, syncing with a server, you know, I don't lose stuff. And the other really great thing is, especially if you are using the upscale version of Dropbox, is that you got this rewind things that you can revert, do a file history, which is really good in Dropbox. Actually, it's really cool to be able to revert an entire folder really easily. And but it's working for me because I'm alone. It's not a good tool when you are on a team. So making collaborative works, no, you shouldn't. I don't think it's a good idea to use Dropbox because you're gonna constantly override the works of someone else, especially if both people are working on the same file. It's gonna be a nightmare. So it's not. I don't think it's recommended for a team. It's good for one person, but not for a team. I was wondering if Git would be usual for us. Git is used for programmer, but not for big asset. The issue with Git is that if the file is too big, it's becoming an issue. I think there is a limitation on the side of a file you can upload with Git. That means if you have you know, a ZBrush file or sculpting high res, that can be a couple of several gigs. It's gonna be a nightmare with Git. So that's why usually it's more Perforce, I would say, that's being used, or SVN or thing like this, version control like this. Yeah, it's messy. It's I didn't play much with Git LFS, but it's a bit messy. It's oh yeah, for me Dropbox is fine. It's a good one. But yeah, so now we are ready. So like I said, what do we want? We want to do the I just want to check something. It's I got more key. Why? I don't know why. So what I'm gonna do just to clean up things is that I'm gonna put a key on everything. On this frame, so that I should be able now to wait a minute. Okay. Oh no. Okay. No, it's fine. It's merely being dumb. Okay. So for the turning animation, so what do we want? We want okay, I think the way I'm gonna do this is we're gonna have we're actually gonna have an animation. So when he is let me see the world loop, so this one, so it's 20 frame looping. So this one, so when he's doing this, we're gonna create a couple of different what I'm calling world loop animation, but one is like is turning right now, is going forward, but we're gonna do two different ones, so one for the left, one for the right, and we're gonna blend them depending on the direction in Unreal. And then we're also gonna do different starting direction. So right now we got the work start, so this one. So we're probably gonna want to have even 3 different directions. So we're gonna have the left, right, and also we're gonna do the backward direction. So that's when he's doing a turn, a half turn. So there is a couple of animation we need to do. And for the stop, I don't think we need anything for the stop. I think the stop's gonna be the same every time. So I don't think he's gonna turning at the same time he's stopping. Doesn't seems to make sense for me. So we'll see if we need one, but I don't think we're gonna need one. Alright, so let's start with the looping first. So I'm gonna start from the forward looping, and I'm gonna duplicate my animation. So let's duplicate this, and I'm gonna rename this correctly. Damn, English is hard. So we got front. I'm gonna call this left, and we're gonna do this on the left. So how should I handle this? I could use a layering approach, but the animation is so simple that it would be overkill. I think I'm just gonna grab my torso and just move the and I'm just gonna move the curve around, and I think it should do the trick. So we want to not the Z, but let me check the gimbal orientation. So that's the gimbal orientation. We want a little bit on the Z and maybe also on the X. So, but no, not on the X, but on the Y. So by doing with this is why I'm using the curves is that the reason why is because I'm modifying all the keyframe at the same time instead of going one by one. Like this, and then for this, for the head. Not sure to understand why there is so much keyframe here. I don't know if there is a way in Blender to add a keyframe, but like on every, like if it was a layer, you know. Same time, break moving hold, extreme jitter. I don't think there is something like this, right? No, no. Ah, I don't think so. If I'm doing I would like to have even more Y rotation, I think. Yeah. Really twisting, okay. And there we're gonna move the Z rotation to same thing for U. Yeah, I'm gonna convert everything in Euler. So name of this action is converts rotation mode. So we're gonna go from convert to Euler, and it's I already forgot the orientation. I want the Z X Y. Yeah. Okay. Z X Y. Okay. So now I should be able to go there, RZ with individual origin like this. Duplicate this. Okay. And we're gonna also orient this one on the Z too. On the Z or on the Yeah, let's go with that. Okay. So that's our loop. I don't know if there is a. I think there is a way, maybe in. Can I mirror an action, an animation in Unreal? Create animation, reference for current animation. No, eh? No, I was streaming. Okay, so that's one. Let's create second action. That's this one. We're gonna call R for right. And I'm gonna copy all my keyframe and Ctrl Shift V. It's gonna flip everything. Okay, so we got the left and the right. Okay, with that we are ready to do the export for the both of them. So let's start with the R direction, export FBX. We're gonna use our preset, the export anim. Find the correct I think it's no. Where did I put that? I already forgot. But Locomotion maybe. No. No, it's not those one. Ah, maybe yes, it is. Ah, I named that move. All right. No, no, it's not that. 18 février. No, no. Nope. The characters then export. And there we go. That's where I put everything. So this one is gonna be called loop R. Okay. Let's grab the left and export this. Okay. I'm gonna save the file and go to Blender, Unreal, and I import both of these. Make it to my Dropbox folder. Yeah, so I lose all my quick assets. So let me put that in my quick asset. I want the I'm gonna say like this for now. So stand anim export. Sorry, anim. We want the loop R, loop L. Open. So the skeleton is already set up. That's cool. I think we all good. Import all. So we have 2 animation. Okay, and we're gonna create from the walk front. We're gonna create how should I do that? No, we're not gonna do this like this. We're gonna create how is it called already? I forgot. The blend space animation. So blend space 1G. I think it's gonna be. Do I want 2 axes for the Do I want a up and down? I don't think I need anything up and down. Let's keep it like let's keep it just 1D for now. Maybe I would change my mind at some point. So that's right. So that's annoying, but we got fuck, man. Wait a minute. Before I'm creating this, I need to so we got two. Fuck. We got two rig names exactly the same, and this one is the one I want to keep, and this one I don't know what it is. Let me see. So you, I can delete you, right? I think it's when I move it around. It's one that sometimes when you move around assets, it doesn't delete on the where it was initially. I think there was an issue there. Okay. Now it's cleaner. So let's go with creating our blend assets. Now there is just one. We can't be wrong. So I'm gonna go with anim bs for blend space, and I'm gonna go with stnd for stand walk 01. Okay. So let's open this one. So how should we want this to work? We want in the middle. It's gonna be this axis is gonna be the angle of direction. So we're gonna name direction, and we're gonna go from -90 for 90 degree to 90 degree. We don't want anything looping when he's doing a half turn. He should do he should make a half turn instead of doing a looping animation backward. It doesn't make any sense. So yeah, stay like this. So we want the forward in the middle, and then we want the left. I don't know if it should be minus left on the minus or on the positive or on the negative. We'll see that later. So that's how it's gonna work. So how that is gonna blend depending on the direction where it's going. So that's the first step. Let's go into our anim blueprint, and we're gonna set up this properly. Oh, that's a little bit long to open, eh? Compiling shadows. So to calculate the angle of the direction, we're gonna need to know what is his target, and I don't remember already if I already calculate this somewhere or if I need to do the calculation. So we're gonna open the movement component for the stand, and we're gonna look at this. I'm pretty sure that there is already a calculation for that, but we'll see. So if we go into our gameplay, what is it? Movement stand. Okay. So this kind of animation is happening when he's doing I I think it's called escort when it's in escort movement states. So let me see. So if he's escorting, no, attends. No, this has nothing to do with what we are looking for. Or maybe I did that in the parent. It would make sense. Let me see. Blinking, jumping. Wait, I'm a little bit lost. When do I say to the stand that I want him to be in escort mode? Ah, it's there. It's on the apply movement. How did I set up this? Ah, it's in the alright. Apply movement, so that's current apply movement. Oh, it's one that's coming from the okay. It's a little bit lost, that's why. Okay, with the next frame rotation, next frame velocity. Okay, launch character. Okay. Starting to getting back. All right, so when we are in escort, we are applying escort movement. So that's the logic. So when the movement component is active, we deactivate this. Okay. And then, yeah, we got something called get rest transform. All right, so we already have target. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. So if I'm going back into my anim blueprint, I think it's the one I want to use. Alright, so we got the stand here. So everything here is, I'm gonna collapse this in whoop. Call this into collapse nodes, and I'm gonna call this update variables, right? Let me create a function maybe just for calculate. Actually get, how should I call this? Escort direction. So we got a BP machine state. So we're gonna get the movement states. Get character movement. No, state. I want the state. get state. All right. So if it's equal to escort, so that means if we are escorting, then we're gonna, maybe I should make a, I'm gonna use this a lot, maybe I should make a reference for this one, that's gonna be easier. Let's go back there and about character movement, we already have a reference of this. Oop. Gonna be cleaner like this. So get rest transform. So we can open this, so we have the location. So we have the get actor location, so we can the actor location. And we're gonna get unit direction. But we're gonna do from and to. All right. So that's the direction between our actor. What's the direction between our stand to the way is trying, the position is trying to reach. Then we want to do a dot product with the forward vector. Sorry. Get actor forward. I don't know if we can do angle. If there is something. No, eh? So we're gonna do a dot product. And I already forgot how we do the convert dot product to angle. Yeah, it's the arcos. We need to do an arcos. Right. So arcos, acos degree, and now we got the we should have the value in degree. So just to test this, we're gonna print this just to make sure that I'm doing right, and we're also gonna return this value, and we're gonna call this angle. All right. So we got our function to calculate the direction. So let's go back to our update variable menu and call the function and put that into a variable. That we're gonna call escort direction angle. All right, let's test this. So we are in 90 degree. Okay, no, it's fine, it's fine. So we got that 0, then so the issue here is that we don't have any negative value, but I can already see that it's working. We got some no, it's not working. So here we are at 1 and I think it's because it's so close to the rest position that we got some weird value. It might be why we got that. So it shouldn't be an issue, I would say, if we are... It's gonna be an issue when we're gonna do the starting. Okay, we'll see about that later. For now, I just want to check why I don't have any negative value. So it seems like the dot product giving me let me look like at the dot product first. Okay. So right now I got the angle, but I don't have the left or right. I don't know if it's going left or right. That's an issue. How would I get the left or right? I could do okay. For the left or right, I could do the same thing, but with the right vector. So meaning that say if I'm taking a right vector and I'm doing a dot product with this, it should give me, I don't care about the value, I just care about the sign of this. So it should be negative, positive, then negative. If I'm doing it going in this direction, it's negative, in this direction it's positive. All right, perfect. So I can just do sine and multiply this. And now it should give me the results I'm looking for. So we got positive value and we got negative value in this direction. Right, perfect. That means we got the setup is working properly. I'm gonna remove the print string. I don't need it more. Okay, let me save everything. So let's go back to our locomotion states. So instead of using the loop, just the animation for the loop, we're gonna use the blend space. Where are you? It's this one. And for the angle, we're gonna use that. And that's it. Now we should start to see. It's the it was the wrong yeah, I knew it. So let me set up this differently, like this. Yeah, so now we got the issue of we might try to doesn't make any sense to have him twisted when the he's slowing down, so we might want to yeah, we might want to actually, you know what, we're gonna use the instead of, right now I've been using a blend space 1D, we're gonna use a blend space with 2 axes, and the second axis is gonna be the speed, so we're gonna have some transition with the speed too. So horizontal axis is gonna be stay the same, it's gonna be the direction, and this gonna be the speed. So the directions, same thing, is going from -90. Actually, I want to go with something like this. And for the speed we just want 2 axes. This one is gonna be 2 is gonna be enough, and this one 1 also is gonna be enough. And it's gonna go to start with let's go with 500 maximum. Let's go with let me do some readings first. So do we calculate already the speed? Yeah, we already calculated the speed, so I'm just gonna read that first, just to have a sense of what value I want to put it. So one is around 30,000, I would say. That's great. And the maximum is gonna be 30,000, I mean 300, and the maximum maybe 1,000. So that's gonna be our scale. So let's start at 300 and finish as 1,000. All right, so let's set up our animation again. So we want the work loop forward, we want it at the top, and we also want it at the slow speed, and also on the left, on the right, we're gonna use the forward animation when the speed is slow. But if the speed is high, we're gonna use the left and right. So that's gonna be the idea behind this. All right. Let me go back to my animation blueprints, and this, I'm gonna remove this one, plug this one. So the angle still the same, and the speed we already have it, so it's gonna be easy. Let me see. Again, I did the same mistake. It's the wrong side. We want the left here and the right here. All right. But there is something wrong happening. Okay, also on the interpolation time, I think I'm gonna put a bit of interpolation time, like 0.5, I don't know, maybe 0.5, yeah, 0.5 is insane. 0.2 I think is gonna be good enough. Yes. For the speed, maybe also. Okay. So now I can delete this one. Pause delete. I'm gonna rename with a proper name. Alright. So I want to fix a bug. I can see there is a bug that's annoying me. And it's if I'm moving forward, stopping, and then moving again, it seems like it doesn't go in the looping state. Like, here we go. So it's I think it's because it should be wait. So it's stopping, and it should be able to yeah, it should be able to we either put we need a rule where it's cancelling the animation and going back to start animation. And it should be actually, you know what? I think we're gonna make this rule, and we're gonna create a OR rule, which gonna be if the speed. I already forgot what's the threshold for the speed. We are stopping when the speed is below 100. So if the speed is back again to higher than 100, we should be able to go back to cancel the animation, and that should fix the issue that I've been seeing. Yes. No. No. Okay, so let me put that into my second screen, and we're gonna debug this. So I'm gonna launch the game, then I'm gonna say I want to read this guy who is there. Is okay. It seems like it doesn't want to go there because we are missing. Okay, because we are missing a rule. Wait, did I lose the oh no, I never created. I deleted it. Yeah, okay, so that's, I understand why it was broken, but that's a good thing. Give me just 1 minute to reset up correctly. Okay, so we need a rule where we are going into this phase if the speed is higher than 100. Okay, I like that. So it doesn't work when it's rushing because we're gonna do new animation for this, but you see now he's got some twisting. He's twisting his body to try to follow us, which is cool. I think it's way better the way now he's following us. Nice. It's cool. But the thing is, there's an issue is that now it's starting this more often than maybe I want a priority order. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So this one is gonna be a lower priority, so I want to fight this one more often. If both of the condition, if both of them are true, I want this one to fire, and I want this one to fire only if this one is true and this one is not. And now we should start to see some yes, some kind of start. Yeah, okay. That's better. Alright. So let's save everything. We got it working, so that's pretty cool. And now we can start on working on the starting animation. I don't know why I got this big black things happening here. Pretty sure that's the ambient occlusion from the distance field that's messing up. And I don't care. Alright. It's good for now. So let's save everything. Let's go back to Blender, save everything in our Blender, and let's start new animation. So we're gonna start from the world start forward. First of all, I need to lock. That's something that I always forget, and it's really important if I don't want to lose anything. Yeah, alright. Alright, we need to start from the work start forward, so this one. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Oh, fuck. Fuck. What did I do? Okay. Okay, but admin. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna save everything, and you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna grab all my. I'm gonna make a convert Z, X, Y, and selected bone, and affected action on instead of single I'm gonna do all. So let me see. So this one is working. The idle loop doesn't work anymore. Fuck man. This one is doing some weird shit.
这里我们将借着一种最常见的交通工具，刻画出这个大都市中现实生活的一面。
I don't get it. Why? Why are you doing this? Why is there two? Okay, that was a bad idea. We're gonna reload this. How will I be able to fix this? It seems like I fixed it. Hello there, it's very early in the morning for me. Oh man. You have to manage your health. No good to sleep too late. Are you doing some insomnia? Okay, so this one is working. This one is almost working. I don't know why the head is looking like this. The XY. Alright, so now it's working for some reason. The R. Okay. Hope I didn't break anything here. No, it seems like it's good. Start, so the start. So now the start is all broken. And the reason why it's because I started to work in in oh, I need to convert. Seems like you're very winded. How are you? Winded? Winded? What does it mean? Let me try to do a Google Trad. Pussy. Oh! Nice, because I'm deep in thought. Don't worry, I'm doing really good. Sleepy. Yeah, it's because it's very calm on the chat, and I'm deep in my thoughts. So that's why. But everything is good. Everything is fine. Right. So we got this. I want to convert this into the XY. Let's go. Let me see. All right. And you should you be in? I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So this one needs to be converted to. Here we go. Okay, did I break anything on other stuff? Shouldn't, and I didn't. So that's a good thing. You're very relaxed, then I must have read your expression wrong. I think it's because I didn't do anything. Usually I'm doing something with my hair, and right now it's all black. That's probably why I must have a head of sleepy head. But I'm not much sleepy than usual. I'm always sleepy. That's my thing. But today not much as usual. So now, what's wrong with you? Now you decided to okay. I think just for you I'm gonna do one on Allbone. Let's go. So now you're doing good. Now you're not doing good. So you are doing good. You are probably doing good. So I just messed up those both of them, it seems like. No, this one. Oh yeah, it's because no. Okay, we're gonna do something. For you, we're gonna go revert back to quaternion, and we're gonna do it by hand, like this. Copy that here. Now the looping is good, and now I should be able to do a convert, going back to single action. I don't like. I don't know why. The fuck is this, man? What the fuck is this curve? Doesn't make any sense. Delete everything there. Delete all this mess. same thing for the X. Delete all this mess. Wait. And the Z. Alright, better. I'm gonna do the same thing on the, what is it, the right, because yeah, it's all fucked up also on the right. So you go away. And I think I did a mistake here. No, it's fine. And maybe you that go away. Cool. Let's save everything and let's go back to the start. Yeah, so we got this. Alright. We're gonna create a new action that we're gonna save, and we're gonna name this left. Let's start with left. So for the left, so on this frame, okay, first of all, I'm gonna simplify a little bit the animation like this. So on this frame is gonna be turning around, so it's gonna look on the left. And he's gonna keep looking on the left, and during all the animation he's gonna keep looking on the left. So that's gonna be the trick. Something like this. Yeah, it doesn't work. I think it's mainly because it shouldn't be going in toward the front. Okay, so it's going there. Then at the end, okay. Let's smooth a little bit all of this. Okay. So I want a little bit more impact, so I'm gonna go create a breakdown here. So from here I'm gonna grab everything and say no, I have to. Wait, no, okay. There's a lot of thing that can be done. Same thing for the head. Yeah, the head is. Okay, let me see for the torso if we can improve this. Okay. If I can improve this even more. Alright. I don't know if it would look cool if I doing something like this. Yeah. Yeah, it's adding a lot, I think. Maybe I could delete this. Yes, okay. So that's better. So he got his tail to counterbalance him and give like give a little bit of balance and inertia. Sorry about that. Maybe I feel like I would want to I like that. I think it's good. So like this, I can just save everything, duplicate the action, name this R, grab all my keyframe, copy, Ctrl Shift V, and now, hey. You were supposed to flip. Ah, it's because okay. No, it's okay. So we're gonna start again. Sorry. Just to be sure. We're gonna duplicate this. Name this like this. Okay, we're gonna grab all our controller, all our keyframe, go on frame 0, copy everything, Ctrl Shift V everything, and now it's flipped. And now we're gonna do the backward. I'm gonna save everything and duplicate, copy, and we're gonna name it B for back. Okay, starting from there. So right now it should be really twisting itself. Oh. Something like this, maybe. Damn.
不用我的耳朵也能听到有人演奏，打碎那些反面，将我的灵魂解救。我曾经想要保护你与我的回声共度起舞，穿越相互记忆，同归殊途。开始就像一个标题，结局是个谜底，你我都不理解。原来天平已经倾斜，你寻找一束花朵，我给你我的承诺。我踏上我的旅途，而你选择了经过。你只是想要轻松是吗？我不懂。你寻找一个情人，而我给你我的灵魂。Farewell， 一直重复一个梦，有个场景浮现一遍一遍。终于有一天，一个男人出现在你眼前，走来到你的身边，趴在你的耳边对你说：“嗨，我认得，我全都记着。我们曾经见过，我知道我不会把你忘了。那个时候你很年轻，你很美，那个时候除了时间，谁都没有机会。现在你的面容苍白，我特地跑来，就是为了告诉你，你比那个时候更美丽，我更喜欢你。现在备受时间摧残而改变的容颜，或许那个男人是我。你沉默，这气氛没法多说。我们都在旅行，不得不在终点下车。你说 farewell， 我说 farewell， farewell lover farewell。我的灵魂不会讲故事，它不懂道理。里面全是记忆，不懂防御。我的灵魂不会欺骗，根本无需表演。My soul's blue, I know you can see it。
That won't work actually, because no, we'll fix that later. Because I'm if I just doing this, it won't work because we're gonna have an issue when we're gonna blend to because right now our mesh is facing in the toward the back, right? But after that it's gonna blend with the forward animation, so there's gonna be a big issue here. So, but I think I know how to fix that.
我的手表，你的时间，我的诺言，你的表演，我的简单，你的眼泪，我的遗忘，你的后悔，我的，你的，你的，我的，谁的错了，对了，灰了，你的，我的，我的，你的，全都碎了，没了。下一站的再见，昨天的照片，不停的改变，已经逐渐模糊，几年纪念连成一片，影子还在纠缠摄影机。
Okay.
那一刻，戏还没完全，隔得很远，绝口不提了。一个闪念突然决堤了，不能欺骗自己，忘记了，所以想有一个不用说再见的再见，想有一个 farewell 去诀别永远。
Let me go grab the work loop forward. So yeah, this keyframe. And we're gonna put that here, but with a 80-degree rotation. And it was the wrong rotation, so let's try again. Minus 80 degree. Yeah, okay, so now it's working. Okay, so now I can do a little bit of smoothing. And same thing for you. And now we can refine the animation. Like this. Yes. Okay, let's play with the tail. I think like we are missing some opportunity with the tail. When it's there. We delete the keyframe here.
Sit back, relax. I'ma take you on the ride. Prepare for the journey through these lines I describe. I suffocate the beat with the words I apply. Our two words collide. I fly like a bird in the open sky. The lines that I use to form this rhyme.
And put a little bit of delay in.
That's why my gymnastic wordplay smashed the confidence.
Actually, maybe not.
Paragraphs turn your flesh back to soft clay. Like a pay style to the thoughts the law say. Live it life for yourself and give it all praise. So look out for your health to live some more days. Since a kid I was taught there's gonna be sad days. So keep it pushing till you reach the very last day. So keep it pushing till we reach the very last day. Now ride with me. Diamond in the bag, sunroof top, digging in the scene with a gangster lean. Ride with me. Come on and ride with me. It goes diamond in the bag, sunroof top, digging in the scene with a gangster lean. Ride with me. Come on and ride.
I think it's gonna be fine. And so what I mean by fixing this is we're gonna have to play with the actually I'm gonna put that into the root bone. So we're gonna put we're gonna animate the root bone, even if in Unreal we're not gonna use any root motion, so it's just to counteract the motion of the character into Unreal. So we need to rotate. So we're gonna delete our keyframe there, and we need to rotate this. This time it's a positive value, like this. No, it was negative value.
Ride with me. Come on and ride with me. It goes diamond in the back, sunroof
Yeah,
top,
alright.
digging in the scene.
Alright, so it's looking weird, but we know how it's looking like when the actual character is making a 180 rotation, so hopefully in Unreal it's gonna make sense. And we're gonna have to do the same thing for the other rotation. Let's do this. Let's grab the start L. So we're gonna grab the root. We're gonna delete everything but the start and the end. And minus 80. Yes, alright. Let's do the same thing for the right. Actually, let's export at the same time, so that's we're gonna win some time. Alright, export on in. It's there, and this one is gonna be called start L. Alright, export FBX. Let's export also the back. This one, let me just check that everything is working correctly. Good. Export FBX. Right. And now we also want the right. So the right now it's looking like this. We're gonna make a we're gonna counteract with the root bone. Let me select this, delete all the keyframes but the first and the last, and put Z rotation on 90 degree at the end. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. Alright. Spot that. How should I? Yeah, start right. Okay, export. Let's get back to Unreal, import new animation, so start RB and L, and import everything. I just want to make sure that there is no root motion that is imported. I don't know if it's something there that need to uncheck. I don't know, we'll see later. So I'm gonna import everything. We'll see how it looks like into, I think the most. Alright, no, it's doing what I was expecting. Cool. So we're gonna create actually I should call this one walk loop 01, and we're gonna create an anim blue blend space, but this time I'm pretty sure I only need 1D. I don't need the speed axis for this one, so wait, what? Let me copy the name of this one so it's gonna be easy to name that. I just have to replace loop by start. Okay. So we're gonna go from minus 180 to 180. Yes, and we want 4 number of subdivision. Yes. This way I can say that. So when it's 0, it's gonna be the start forward. when it's always the same thing. I never know if it's the right or the left. Well, let's go with the right, I think. Right, so right, left, and then the back. It's gonna be on both of them. Alright, there is something I didn't anticipated, but now it's making sense. We might also need a mirror back animation, so let's do this now. And now it's making sense. I thought I was about to sneeze. So yeah, let's get back to the back, and we're gonna call this back R, because I think this one is mixing well with the yeah, okay. And we're gonna create a new action that's gonna be called back L. And I'm gonna select all my keyframe, copy everything, mirror. Okay. Now we have this, we have this, okay. We're gonna export this. I want to rename the previous one. The previous one is gonna be R, and then the one we are exporting is gonna be like this. So let me rename also this one with the R, and let me import the new one, the R. And so if I'm putting that here, we should see less weirdness happening. Exactly. All right. So we're done. We got we have what we need. Hey Marky Bird, how you doing, man? Glad to see you back. Thank you, man. I'm glad to see you back too. Alright, so this is gonna be the work starts. Yes, perfect. So how should we do this? Because I don't want this value to update over time. I want it to be set up only once. I call this direction. Forgot to rename this correctly. Because if I'm doing the same workflow as I did before, we're gonna have a blending happening over time, and I don't want to. I just want one value and then stick with it. But the next time it's starting, I want to pick another new value. So how should I calculate this? I think I'm gonna put that onto actually, you know what, this I'm gonna put that into a new node. Okay, I think that this calculation, I'm gonna do it into my blueprint graph instead of anim graph. Oh wait, yeah, I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna say, let's go back to my event graph. So I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna put that into a variable saying start work. Okay. And I'm looking at this only if start work is false. So if start work is false, every frame we are checking if we are starting to work, and if we are starting to work, for now we do nothing, but we're gonna do something after that. Let me go back to my locomotion here. So it's gonna be wait a minute. Oh, okay. No, you know what? I could try something like this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but if I'm doing if start work is true, then start work is false. Bear with me, you're gonna see that. So if on one frame we're going the start work is false, and we found out that actually the condition is right to it to be true, it's gonna get true, and the next frame is gonna be false again. So that means this variable start work is gonna stay true only on one frame, and that should be enough to fire the work start. So that's, let's test this already. If I'm right, that would mean that we should see the oh boy, so something is nasty there. So it seems like it, oh boy. Let me see, we're gonna make we're gonna debug this. Yeah, because it's okay. No, obviously it can't work like this. We're gonna use maybe a gate. But I don't want to use a gate. Wait a minute. No, obviously it's dumb what I'm doing. So we need a condition to when it stops. So this kind of thing is a little bit more tricky than I thought it would be. How could I lock? So it's fine there, and I just want the initial. If I'm doing this, I'm not sure to understand why. Is there a rule to go back to here? Well, I don't get it why you are lock. So you never go there. It seems like some reason. I don't know why, but okay, it's okay. I get it. It's because we're doing the time remaining. We changed the animation, so obviously the time remaining. We changed the animation to a blend space. Now it's gonna be a time remaining for this and a transition crossfade. Oh, I need to redo this. That's a bit annoying, to be honest. So now so I don't see the start animation firing. I've just realized that we probably have to. No, this one there is no. Okay, no, it's fine. This one is gonna be fine. But I don't like what I'm seeing here. It's this one. But it doesn't play the animation though. It should be playing this, but it doesn't. So we are using this. sure why. Seems like he is going straight. Boom, boom, boom. Something is wrong, and I don't know why. Doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it's really it doesn't stay there. It doesn't stay there, and it's going straight up to this, because it seems like I'm remaining. Am I using the right? Yeah. The thing is that I can't debug this, and I can't make any. Can I make a breakpoint? No. So it's hard for me to debug this, eh? Is there a print here? No, eh? I just want to check something. I want to read the acceleration value just to. Yeah, the acceleration is fine. Alright, so how am I gonna fix this? That's a tricky situation there. Let me think about this. I'm using the watch the value, maybe. Watch this value. All right, let's see if it's working. Why aren't you? What if always true? That's mean. So that's the thing. It's the time remaining is 0, and that's annoying. Let me see if the time remaining. What is the get relevant anim? Ah, maybe that's what I'm looking for. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I think we are good. We can revert back to this. Now, no. Yes. Okay. I saw you. Yes. All right. I like that. Okay. Finally we got something. So the system is working, and so now what I can do is going back to the event graph. So let's delete this. This doesn't work. This doesn't make any sense. So what are we gonna do? All right. So if actually I wanted, what a good idea to have this one. So if start walk is false, we keep looking at the escort direction. And we're gonna put that into. You know what? Actually, let's do something else. Instead of calculating the escort direction to time, it's gonna be more optimized if we are doing this. So if it's false, we taking the same value, and we also updating a new variable that's gonna be the work start direction. Like this. If it's false, not true. So that means if it's true, we stop updating this. Nah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It won't work. Nope. No. Nope. It won't work. Is there a way for me to know work start? Can I call this here? No, eh? Is there a way for me to know if I'm there? If I'm in this let me try something. Let me grab the mesh. Get mesh, right? And let me ask if animation playing. So is playing. Wait, I can't choose the animation? Animation play functions. Animation, get animation mode. Get position. I want the animation instance. I want to know which animation is playing right now. I can't. I have no as valid animation instance. What the fuck is that? No, it's not what I'm looking for. animation is playing. Aye, it's playing animation. Play animation mode. Time stop. Override animation. No. So I can't know if it's playing the What is the animation mode though? Animation mode. What the fuck is this? Animation mode Enum. Can I print that? What? Use animation blueprint. Alright, not what I'm looking for. Alright, so I can't find a way to do this. Alright, I think it's gonna be for the next stream. I'm frying. My brain is frying right now, so probably gonna give it a rest, and that's usually how it works. Take a night, take a good sleep, and the answer come the morning. At least I'm hoping that it's how it's gonna work. But right now I can't find any good solution for that, so I'm gonna quit. Alright, thank you everybody, thank you for being there. I hope you are still enjoying this kind of live stream of the development, and if so, I hope you'll be there for the next one. Alright, so have a good day, have a good night, depending on where you're watching this stream, and I'll see you on the next stream. Thank you, bye.